Hello day traders, you're watching daily currency market news on the InstаФорекс TV channel with me, Kate Nidachina. Today the market is observing the major morning news about the press conference of Bank of Japan governor and the trade balance report. On the whole, the unexpected trade balance data came as a surprise to Japan's economists. In light of the positive statistics, the Bank of Japan decided to keep the monetary policy unchanged. Japan's finance ministry released a trade balance report for October. Despite the forecast, trade balance returned to a surplus after 6 straight months of deficit. The value of exports exceeded imports by 111.5 billion yen. Trade balance deficit came in at 115.8 billion yen in September. Besides, economists were encouraged that seasonally adjusted trade balance surplus shrank by 202 trillion yen, while they had expected a bigger contraction of 880 billion yen. So Japan's central bank made a decision to maintain the current monetary policy unchanged. The regulator gave up the idea of expanding the QE program in the hope that the economy is on the path to recovery. According to flash estimates, Japan's GDP sank 0.8% in the third quarter on a yearly basis, following a 0.7% drop in the second quarter. Economists had estimated a 0.2% decline for the third quarter, so Japan's economy has fallen into recession with negative GDP figures for 2 quarters in a row. At the latest meeting, the Bank of Japan downgraded the inflation forecast for 2015-16 fiscal years. According to new estimates, inflation rate excluding fresh food and base effect of the sales tax hike is likely to hit 2% in the second half of 2016. However, this timing will depend on the dynamic of fuel prices. It means that the target level of 2% is still in question. The latest statistics from Japan made an impact on the national currency. So the yen rose 0.3% in value against the US dollar. Today the dollar-yen pair is trading at the level of 123.19. The pair hit an intraday low of 123.10 before the publication of the statistics and the Bank of Japan statements. Japan's regulator kept the QE program steady, keeping the asset purchases at 80 trillion yen annually. So the Bank of Japan came to a conclusion that the economy is set for gradual recovery. It was InstаФорекс News and me, Kate Nidachina. Have a nice trading day.